I'm going to show you in this video how you can stretch image in Gimp. So what you're going to have to do here is select Gimp and then go to tools, and here in tools we have here tools transform, and then here we have scale, rotate, perspective. We're going to click on scale, and then here we can scale our image without any issues. Now I just have here a separate layer, and that's why I'm not stretching the image. I'm just doing this for the different layer, but I can select this layer now here, and then I can go to tools, to transform tools and scale, and now I can scale the image. I can hold shift if I want to stretch this the way I want, and now it's stretched, as you can see. I can hold option if I want now to resize it, and yeah, this way you also have CL tools. You can right click instead of going there up. You have also 3D transform if now you want to add a 3D transform. So yeah, just remember, you're just gonna have to hold shift if you want to do this. So let's try again, transform, scale, also try perspective, and here I'm going to hold perspective and use shift. This will actually lock in, but let me select the image now and go to scale, and now I'm scaling. But as you can see, if I hold shift, now I can stretch it. So I hope you found this helpful, and thanks for watching, and just subscribe for more. I really appreciate it if you subscribe. Make sure you also use this part here if you have specific numbers here. As you can see, we can stretch from this side as well. So just so you know, one second, I'm trying to zoom in. Okay, never mind. We can click on here, we can reset. So I hope you found this helpful. Subscribe for more and take care.